Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your existing account on Youper. So let's get started right away. If you're using the Youper application and you have signed into your account, then you can sign your account out from within by tapping on the gear icon at the top right corner and then selecting the Logout function. You can simply tap on it and then tap on the Yes button, and this will log you out from your account on Youper. However, after logging out, you might find that your user account information might still be saved on the Youper login section. So in order to prevent this, simply long press on the Youper application and then tap on the info icon at the top right corner. This will then take you into the application info page for the Youper app. Now from this page, tap on the force stop button at the bottom right corner and then tap on OK to stop the application. Then scroll down and tap on storage, and then from the storage page, simply tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and then tap on the delete button to delete all of your user data within the Youper application. Now after you have done this, if you open up the Youper app, you will find that your login information has not been saved and you have been logged out from your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Youper application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.